Hey everyone, welcome back to the place we're testing every single mask on Amazon, including the mask companies that also sell TVs and dishwashers. Yes, I'm talking about LG making a comeback, getting masks, and washing your Airwasher. That's right. Let's put it in the clamper and see just how well this washes your air. See what I did there? It's that LG Household Health and Care. I didn't know they made stuff like this. I like this. Look at that. Wow, that that packaging looks awesome. I mean, LG, you should consider selling condoms because I think LG man. No? Too far? It's interesting to see the things that get cut out. We never know. Letting it rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. I could tell you more about what this thing does, but the gist is that it's an N95 test. We're doing the N95 test on a KF94 using the American standard to give you a benchmark of if this mask is any good or not. Because I'm sure you're looking at this. Whoa, it says, wait a second. That's not correct. This is like being lost in translation. This is saying 3D reusable adjustable cloth face mask. I don't think so. I didn't even, no, this is not reusable, nor is it cloth. This is a spun-bond polypropylene. That's so weird. So that's weird. That is definitely a mistake on the Amazon listing there that says it's a cloth face mask. It is not cloth, and it is not reusable, for what it's worth. KF94s have to be made in Korea, in South Korea. That's part of the South Korean standard. 9 times out of 10, 999 times out of 100, a KF94 mask that looks like this is going to test really well in our machine. They just knock it out of the park typically. In this case, LG is making, which is, you know, a consumer electronics brand for the most part. I'm sure it's a multinational. They make a lot of things. They're making a mask, which is weird. GM tried to do that, and in the amount of time they were able to make 1 million masks total, we made a factory that could make 1 million masks a day because we specialize in mask making, and they make cars. So GM, great cars. Love your cars. Drive your cars. Stay out of masks. So it'd be interesting to see how good the Airwasher is. I'm going to try this real quick. Oh, it's one of these adjustable things. So check this out. I'm going to show this. We've got a lot going on in the background. They're picking up all of my Amazon boxes from all of the masks that we bought. What the heck? I think I would know how to put on a mask by now. This one's a little weird. Oh, dude, that nose wire is fire. That's like awesome. And then it's got a little pulling adjustable thingamadiggies. Which is a technical term. It's not ideal though. I've seen this before. I think the what's the name of it? There's a brand that has this. Ow! Got my beard cut. Probably do that before. Oh wow, that seal is awesome. Ow. It's a little kind of hurts there. All right, great seal. Breathing in. I'm going to call this smell LG's Campfire. It's like barely there. It's tiny, tiny smell. Pretty good construction. It does get, if you have a little beard, probably do this when it's not on your face. That hurt a little bit. I'm thinking that this is going to be a little brittle. Way off. Wow, that is a great, wow, the constructions on this is just amazing. Okay, well, LG, all right. I see you. You're doing that. But does any of that matter, the construction and all that, and the fact that they're lying about being reusable? Does that matter if it doesn't protect you? Because if this machine doesn't say at least 94, you know that it's not meeting the standard. Well, we don't know that because we don't actually know what the standard is, but I assume that's what the 94 means, so let's check it out. All right, 99.072, but I did spy something in my little eye when I was talking to you, and that is that the airflow was horrible. In fact, this might be a record for horribleness. I saw it hit almost 300. So This here, airflow resistance, that number there is the breathability of the mask. Oh, 320, 300. N95 has a max of 250 pascals. After that, it's considered not a breathable mask. This mask, if you're wearing it on your face, it's great if it has a 99% protection. But if you can't breathe through it, then air will find its way around or you'll pass out and die. So the fact that the breathability is so high, LG, I wouldn't call this the LG Airwasher. I would call it the LG Airblocker. Blocks a lot of air, like 99% of it. Can't breathe through it. So I wouldn't recommend this mask. There are definitely better masks out there. Wow, that was a good one. That was fun. Because I thought it was great, and I was excited because I love LG, and then I found out that you can't breathe through the dang thing. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I will catch you on the next test.